Jira Service Management tutorial for beginners. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are diving into Jira Service Management, which is Atlassian's robust solution for managing IT service requests, support ticket, and customer issues. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to set up your own service desk, handle ticket like a pro, automate workflow, and use GSM to streamline support for your team or customer. So this video is perfect if you are just starting out with Jira Service Management, and if you are a part of an IT team, running a customer support, or simply curious how GSM fits into your company workflow. So let's get started. First thing first, what is Jira Service Management? It is powerful IT service management tool by Atlassian built to help team to deliver great service experience in a faster way. Now, if you talk about the key feature, ticketing system for handling service requests, SLA tracking and automated workflows, a customer portal for any issue reporting, and most importantly, the powerful reporting and integration. Now, GSM connects tightly with Jira software, allowing devs and support team to work together seamlessly. Now, let's get started. Let's start by getting access to Jira Service Management. First thing first, what you have to do is head over to Atlassian.com. Then you will get to see something like this and click on this site for free as a Jira. Now I have already got the access and I will get the continue button. Now after that, you will be asked to select a template to get started, or you can just simply click content management and hit the continue button. So as you can see here, wait for a few seconds. It will maybe ask some question to you. Now, once you are selected a template, you will be redirected to it. From here, you have to enter your project name. Then from here, you can choose the template. So what I'm going to do is just simply click on this. And if I want more template, as you can see, it is for marketing, software development, and the work management. And if you want to add custom templates, you can do that. So I will stick with content management, and this is maker project one. And wait for a few seconds and click on this create project. After entering your name and selecting the template, click on this create project. Now wait for a few seconds to load. As you can see here, we have successfully added our project into here. Now, if you want to see view all your project, you can see that. Now let's move to create a from the dashboard. So this is a dashboard of Jira. As you can see here, this is a dashboard of Jira, and the left side, this is a main dashboard. If you click on this create button, you will be asked to add a project, then give a work type, tuto, and whatever you want. Right now, let's move to project. Click on this plus icon. Now from here, you have to choose customer service management to create another project. We will create another project for just to make sure that we have enough project. Now click on this next. So as you can see here, after clicking on the next, then you have to add your project details over here and confirm your template to create your new project. So first give a name, then give a key. So if you don't know what is keys, so from here you can choose a descriptive prefix for your project work, item keys to recognize work from this project. Now from here you can choose team type. Is it legal, risk, compliance, market, information technology? And then from here you can give channel access. If you want to make restricted, you can make it. If you make restricted, then only people directly invited to this project can submit request. But if you choose open, anyone can submit request to this project. So I will choose this open, and then from here you have to choose template, which is general service management, which is Jira Service Management. Now if you want to go and show less, you can do that. Now what I'm going to make her to, and then hit the key th and click on this create project. Now we have created the second project as well. As you can see, we have get started, the summary and the keywords, views, reports. If you have any reports, you can add that too. You can create new report as well from here. Now, if you talk about core concept and workflow in Jira, so let's break down the workflow first. First is issue or tickets are the core units. These can be incident and request or changes. User create tickets via portal or via email or APIs or integration. Tickets go into queues and organize view for agents to handle incoming requests. You can customize these queues based on your priority, issues, type, or team. Then now you know how Jira works and the core concept of the Jira. Now that's your let's it's time to configure your service text. Now that your service text project is live, let configure it properly so your support experience is smoother and consistent. We'll cover customized request type and form, and then setting up CLAS and adding automation for efficiency. Now, first thing, we will customize request type and forms. Every service desk starts with default request types like get help, report a problem, or access a request. But you can customize these based on your team actual need. How to do that? So, in order to do that, you have to go to project setting, select your project, click on these three dots, and then click on this project setting. Then choose, then go to add request type. So go to request type, click on this request and open this request. And in the request, you have request types. Now, as you can see here, we have some example. Now, in order to create your request type, what you have to do is just simply click on it. Then you have three options in the top right corner, which is create from template, create from blank, and create using AI. So I will use create from template, wait for a few seconds, and from here you get the question for analytics, request, compliance review. You have a lot of option over here, so you can filter out from here as well. Now let's say I want this request compliance review. Select that, give the name, give the description. If you want to change the icon, you can change, and you can select the portal group. Right now, I will use this general and then work type. So every request type is connected to a work type. From here, you can choose the type of your work. Let's say I will choose email request. And from here, you can give a summary as well. The provide an overview of compliance review request. You can add a lot of things. This is the form people will fill out for the request type. It will be created on your project default language and can be edited later as well. So this is the kind of form. Click on this add. If you want to re-edit this form, you can add that too. Now you can customize this text field, name, description, drop down menu, choose device location, and date selector as well. So as you can see here, this is a request compliance review. So right now it is, I think, restricted. Click on apply. Now, yeah, you can attach forms. Let's say if you want to remove this field, which is due date, you can just remove it. Now, if you want to add a new field, you can just simply suggest you can drag this field from here in the from the right side. As you can see here, you have actual end, actual start, approval group as well. Now save the all changes, and yeah, this is how you can save and customize your form. Pro tip is to use field logic to show hide field based on the user answer. This makes the form cleaner and more relevant. Now it's time to set up your SLAS. Now SLAS helps define how quickly your team should respond or resolve tickets. They create accountability and help you to meet business expectations. For example, in order to access SLAS, you have to click on this request management, go into request management and click on this SLAS. Now you will get first response and the resolution. This is a first response and this is the resolution. First response is your response within 1 hour, and resolution time is within 24 hours. You can edit their goal as well. For example, time to resolution. So as you can see, right now it is open, and you can set up the priorities as well. For the 9 to 5 calendar, if it is 42 hours, then it is low. You can add a lot of things over here. Now, in order to add SLA, what you have to do is click on this add SLA and define the metrics like time to first response, like first response. From here, apply to work item. Then you have the calendar and the target team. Now from here, you can add the timing. Let's say I will go 4 hours. So you can add simple calendar. You can use that too. Then you can add your goals. Then if you want to add the condition like start counting time when something happens, or assign from unassigned to assign or change, commit, and by customer commented, if it will start counting by if the someone commented on it. So you can add this kind of condition to your SLAS. So from here you can change the date as well, and after doing all the confirmation and customization, you can save it. Just simply please select the last least condition, which is someone if due date, if it is changed, it will start counting. Click on the save. Metrics must be unique. Okay. uh, so again, let's add it. So you have to define the metric first, which will be in my case time to first response, list of first response. Then you have to add like set a target time is one for high priority, for low. So well, I will choose 1 hour, and then from here you can uh, define like condition as well. As I said, in my case I will say when ticket is created. Where is when ticket is created? When maybe there is no condition over here, so maybe I will choose this if entered status reopened, or pending closed. So I will choose commented by customer or commented for customer. So I'll choose this issue if created, and then when waiting on customer, if it will be paused. So click on this, and then choose when waiting on customer. You have to just simply find that condition, pause. Okay, there is no you have to choose the pause counting time during in progress, and then finish counting time when it is done, when it is resolved. So yeah, SLA are tracked in every ticket and visible in queues with a countdown timer. So if like a pro tip, if you set up, you can set different SLA goals per priority level. For example, if it's critical, then choose 1 hour. Then if it is low, then you can choose 2 days. Click on the save after creating them. Then you have to choose the metrics unique. So as you can see here, we have successfully created our SLA. Now let's automate your workflow and notification. Automation is where GSM really shines. It helps you to reduce manual work and improve response time. How to build an automation? What you have to do is go to project setting again. Into that, you will get to see there is an option of automation in the left side. Then first you have to create rules. So we have some templates over here. If you want to explore these templates, you can just explore it. Click on this uh, templates which you like. So this is like is a trigger point. When issue is created, it will automatically trigger, and these are some conditions as you can see here. If like say if priority is equal to higher, then it will be execute this. So then you can add action as well. So action is like you assign to team or lead it, or send a alert email or set a due date. So you can use that in that case. So you can use common automation. For example, you can auto assign tickets by request type. You can send reminder for pending tickets and auto close inactive tickets after 7 days. Automation can also help to update field, transition status, or send Slack Microsoft Team messages. So you can start with GSM's built-in templates. They are super useful and easy to customize. So let's quickly recap to configure your decks priorly. Design clean, relevant request type and form. And then the second one is set clear SLAS with target for response and resolution. Then use automation to handle repetitive tasks and speed things. So let's move to next part. Now let's talk about the customer portal, one of the most important part of the Jira Service Management. This is where your end user of customer interact with your service text, raise request, and check ticket status. It's front door to your support system, and yes, you can make it look and feel just the way you want. So if you don't know what is customer portal, just think of it as a branded help center where you can user can choose a request type and fill out clean form and submit issue directly to your team. Now what you have to do is, first thing, you have to customize your portal and branding and layout. In order to do that, what you have to do is go to project setting. First, you have to access your project. Now, click on your three dots of your project and go to project settings. Now, from there, you have to choose channels. Scroll down a little bit. As you can see, there is an option of channels and self-service. Click on the channels and self-service. Click on this portal button over here. Now, from here you can see there is an option of portal configuration and portal groups. From here you can copy your URL. Let's see if it is working or not. Okay. As you can see here, we have three uh, things: request compliance review, submit a request on incident, or ask a question. Click on it. From here, you can see you can raise a request on a behalf of, you can add your email, you can what is your question and general request, and you can add the description as a customer. Now, let's say if you want to change the portal way. Now you have to give a different name to your portal name. So you can, from here, you can change that. Hello. So my portal name is solution. Now, what you in second way, you have introduction text. You can customize to welcome to welcome to the IT help desk. How can we help? We How can we help you? From there, you can save it, and from after that, you can choose your logo. For this, I will upload just simply upload a photo first. So, okay, I will use this photo just for fun to show you. Upload it. So this is how you can change your logo. Then after that, if you have access of changing color, you can change that too from here. Now, after that, you can arrange your request type in user-friendly layout. So yeah, it will help. Now, pro tip is you can use clear request names with the icon so user don't get confused. Get help with email. It's better than support ticket type one. So these kind of thing you have to make it clear. You can create a new portal as well. So let's move to control and access and customize visibility. You can control who can access your portal. So for example, if you scroll down a little bit, you get the option of edit a customer permission. Now, right now, anyone can submit this request. Now, if you click on this, you will get two options, which is public access and the requested one. The public one, anyone with the link can submit a request. It is good for external clients. Then if it is restricted, only user from approval email domains like uh, the approval domain can access that. So to set up this, you can just simply search, and from here you can control how existing customer can find out other customer and share requests with them. You can choose customer can search from other customer within their organization and lots of other things. Now I haven't made any changes, so I will choose this one. And if let's say if you want to create agent new portal, just simply click on it. This is a project. Work type task. Request type is if it is ask question. If it is for ask question, you can choose that, and then from here you can raise the request on the behalf of. So it's like create another one if you want to. So I will just simply cancel it. You can also group customer into organization like department or companies, and agent can see which org a request is coming from. Now the second, let's move to next step, best practices and tips. So a few quick tips are you can use automation to reduce manual work. You can regularly review your SLAs, keep request type simple and clear, leverage your knowledge base to reduce ticket, use label to organize and report better. If you want to learn more, you can check Atlantis University and community forums for that. Now that's it. Full walkthrough of Jira Service Management for beginners. You know, you know how to set up your project, handle ticket, customize workflows, and use portal and advanced feature. So try building your own service desk for your team. If you got value for this tutorial, give a thumb up and don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guide. Thank you for watching.